Welcome to Technia TV. I, Mansi Chopra, faculty of BAJMC department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies, is going to deliver a lecture on MG Narega. MG Narega, which is also known as Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, is an Indian labor law and social security measure that aims to guarantee the right to work. It aims to enhance the livelihood security in rural areas by providing at least 100 days of wage employment in a financial year to every household where adult members volunteer to do unskilled manual work. The act was proposed in 1991 by P.V. Narasimha Rao. In 2006, it was finally accepted in the parliament and commenced implementation in 625 districts of India. The MG Narega was initiated with the objective of enhancing livelihood security in rural areas by providing at least 100 days of guaranteed wage employment in a financial year to every household whose adult member volunteered to do unskilled manual work. Another aim of MG Narega is to create durable assets such as roads, canals, ponds and wells. Employment is to be provided within 5 kilometers of an applicant's residence and minimum wages are to be paid. If work is not provided within 15 days of applying, applicants are entitled to an unemployment allowances. Thus, employment under MG Narega is a legal entitlement. MG Narega is to be implemented mainly by Gram Panchayats. Apart from providing economic security and creating rural assets, Narega can help in protecting the environment, empowering rural women, reducing rural-urban migration and fostering social equality among others. However, Narega has been criticized for leakages and corrupt implementations. It has been alleged that individuals have received benefits and work payments for work that they have not done, or have done only on papers, or are not poor. In 2014-15, only 28% of the payments were made on time to workers. Following the allegations of corruptions in the scheme, NDA government ordered a re-evaluation of the scheme in 2015. I hope you understand the topic of MG Narega. For more videos, please like and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.